Now, if you're a family looking for a 3-bedroom semi-detached home in the Welling area, then keep watching, because today I've got something rather special to show you. Now, this property has been renovated to an immaculate standard internally. You've got a beautiful open plan living space which goes right through into the kitchen. You've got a utility room downstairs. The bathroom is amazing. And to the rear of the garden, you've got a garden room which is huge. And I think you're really going to like it. So let me show you. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look around. Now, this property is in a fantastic location. Now, just nearby you have several sought after primary schools. You've got Welling High Street in less than 10-minute walk, and you've also got Welling Station, which is only 6 minutes walk. Now, if you'd like to come and take a look at this property, my name's Aaron. You can contact myself or a member of my team using the details that follow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.